Welcome back, it's your guy Engineer Mojo. Today we're going to be removing a window visor and reinstalling and working on one of my favorite cars in my position, my Toyota Tacoma. To get it started off fast, tools you'll need are: you will need dental floss or strong thin string. This is for actually removing your old visor. Plastic scraper, I'll show you the one I use. Goo Gone or some sort of adhesive remover of your choice. Preferably a gel spray applicator type, just so it doesn't run and streak too much. Alcohol wipes or alcohol and some rags and wipes. And then you need some rags and wipes for general cleanup, general spray cleaner, and of course you'll need your new window deflector rain guard of your choice. To get it started, I'll first show you my original visors. On one side it wasn't too bad, on the other side they had completely fallen off. So it was time to replace. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I use dental floss as the removal tool. You can use any kind of taut string. It'll help wrap around your fingers a few times, get it taut, and then start working your way in between the car and the visor. There's no need to preheat or apply any heat. I got a little excited, broke off the visor a little bit. But as you see in this clip here, I like to keep the string at about a 90-degree angle. I feel that cuts the existing tape the easiest. You will break several of the string as you're doing this, so don't worry about that. Just keep going and keep applying new string. As you see, it's coming right off. It's not a bad process. Now you will leave behind residual adhesive and tape, so that's where the Goo Gone comes into play. I use Goo Gone. I like the gel spray applicator type. As you see, once you spray it, it stays there. Next, I take plastic scraper and razor. It comes with a holder. I picked this up off Amazon for less than 10 bucks. Very nifty tool. Go ahead and begin scraping. I do let the Goo Gone set for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it can get in there and mix this part a little easier. Just letting it set. And I go back in, try to scrape as much as possible. Now I do this several times. I scrape, apply Goo Gone, wait 10 minutes, scrape, apply Goo Gone, wait 10 minutes. And I do that process as much as needed until it gets to a point where I feel comfortable. If I'm applying a new window visor, then I'm fine with a little bit of residual adhesive on the car. But if I'm taking off the visors completely, I don't want to see anything. So I do this a lot, and I do this a couple times. For reapplication of the rain guard window visor, at this point I've gotten it to a point where I'm comfortable with the amount of adhesive. I'll give you a close-up of the just amount of adhesive that's left on the car. As you see, there is a thin film there, but very little and not much that will impede the application of the new rain guard and visor. Now it's time to show off my new rain guard slash visor. I have the AVS brand. This is a very popular brand for rain guards, and they actually had the exact model I needed for my truck. So I picked that up, of course, off favorite Amazon. Comes with instruction manuals and alcohol pads. If you need more alcohol pads, feel free to have your own bottle of alcohol and wipes. Now I do a test fit first just to see how it aligns with my window. This stage also tells me how much adhesive that I need to take off that may be sticking out from the sides, so I may go and do some more scraping. Once that's good, I go and I clean with the general cleaner. Then I wipe down with the alcohol wipes to remove residual foreign elements that may impede adhesion. Remember, prep is your friend. Doing good prep means better adhesion overall, so scrape, clean as best as possible. Here I'm showing the adhesive strips for the new visor. As you see, on the two ends they come with about 2 inches of pre-cut areas, and then the long strip in the middle. I take off the two ends, and then for the long strip in the middle, I pull up about 2 inches on each side, and I fold it at 90-degree angle so it's easy to take off. And I line it up with the window. Press hard, press hard. Now those tabs are sticking up so I can easily pull off the rest of the tape. Keep pressing, make sure everything is lined up how I want it, and good to go. Now moving on to the next window to repeat the process. Again, Goo Gone, scrape, wipe, repeat. Make sure you do all your cleaning and prep work to make sure you have a good solid surface to adhere your new window visor. Installation was a success overall. I liked how it came out. No more faded visor or missing visor in my case. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you have any tips to make this easier, please also comment down below, because I'm sure I'll be doing this again in the future. As always, thank you for watching again. I'm out.